I'm actually doing a redraw challenge of this old concept art from Sonic CD, and Sonic fan artists are doing it on X, also known as Twitter. So I decided to join the challenge. I decided to pause the drawing and have a friendly chat with this kid. Hey, can you step aside please? Don't draw my drawing. She's not responding and she's making things worse. Hey everyone, Rama here, and in today's video, I'm going to try drawing on Roblox in this game. It's called Free Draw, and let's hit play. Alright, here we are. Here are the rules.
All content must be appropriate for Roblox. This includes, but is not limited to, hate speech, profanity, suggestive content, and controversial topics. No grieving. Don't touch other people's art without their permission. No scribbling. Refrain from excessively scribbling over the canvas. No toxicity. Be nice to others.
Alright, I've read the rules. Okay, this is what it looks like. Hold on, let me move let me move my keyboard so I can see. Nice. Well, how many people in here? Just 5, including me? Wow, okay. I guess this is a small server. Maybe we should find a spot to draw. Oh yeah, this is my avatar by the way. Oh, now there's a bunch of people in here. What's this? Top down camera. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Okay, that's nice. Oh, I can move around with my pen. What's this? Oh, look at this. Oh, that's pretty. What else do we have here? Wait, is that Veggie from Has-Been Hotel? Oh, that's cool. And there's a comic. Where was I? I think I'm lost. Oh, there I am. Maybe this is where I'll draw. Or maybe here? Yeah, maybe here. Now let's try some of the tools we have here. First, we have the pen. Whoa. Oh, that's nice. Can we size it up? Oh, we can. Oh, that's great. I wonder if there are other brushes in here. Oh, we don't? What's this? Stabilizer type. Okay. Maybe it's for like stabilizing the lines, I think. Like making the lines smoother. Oh, there's the stabilizer intensity. Oh yeah, I was right. Impressive. Alright, let me undo all this. Next we have pen tool. Or maybe line tool. Yeah, it's a line tool. Alright, next we have the eraser. Oh, there's nothing to erase, oh my bad. What's this one? Delete claim. Oh, I thought there was a red flag. Is there anything else besides the color wheel and eye drop? There's Roblox Premium, undo and redo, save files, rules, top down camera, and clear all. We also have layers, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so after thinking about what I should draw in this game, in today's video, I'm gonna draw Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's start with the sketch first. I'm gonna draw the eyes first. When I draw Sonic's head, I usually start with the eyes. Oh yeah, for those who use shape tools to draw circles or squares, unfortunately that doesn't exist in this game. So you gotta draw circles manually using your hand. If you're used to drawing circles without a shape tool, then you're good to go. By the way, I didn't rename the layers, and just to let you know, layer 1 is the sketch, and layer 2 is, I guess, outline, but it won't be so clean since this is my first time drawing this game. It's been a while since the last time I drew Sonic stuff. I used to draw Sonic a lot when I was a kid, and I still do, but not so often. Alright, let me just save the file so I don't lose the drawing if I get disconnected. You don't want that, right? Okay, it works, and Sonic's head is done. Now I'm gonna draw the body. Let's start with a rough sketch first. I'm actually doing a redraw challenge of this old concept art from Sonic CD, and Sonic fan artists are doing it on X, also known as Twitter. So I decided to join the challenge. It may not be exactly the same pose, but I just want it to be a bit different. like giving Sonic his iconic finger wave while running full speed. I think the sketch is almost done and I just need to draw the smoke. There you go, and moving on to the outline. I'm gonna draw the body, then the tail and the back spot. I decided to pause the drawing and have a friendly chat with this kid. Hey, can you step aside please? Don't draw my drawing. She's not responding and she's making things worse. I'm gonna save this and move it somewhere else. Alright, you're not reading. Yup, time to move and hopefully she doesn't follow me. Gonna load the drawing here and... oh, okay, there we go. Now we can continue. Wait, she's coming back. She's coming back. I'm gonna move this again. She's messing it up. How do I kick her? Oh, wait. Can I? Oh, I can. Okay, good. Foot. Alright. Get foot kick. Alright. Is she out? I hope so. I swear, if I see that kid again, I'm gonna do it again until she's out. Alright, let's get back to drawing. Music. Oh, by the way, if you want to try this game, you can check the link in the description below. Okay, right hand is done. I'm gonna do the other hand. Bro, his hand looks like he's giving a middle finger instead of a finger wave. You know what? I'm just gonna draw a peace sign instead, if that's okay. I mean, he did this in the Sonic games too. Alright, the left hand is done. Next, I'm gonna draw Sonic's Super PL. Sonic doesn't usually run like this. This move was mostly used by his younger self, Classic Sonic, when he goes full speed in the classic Sonic games. And sometimes it was used by modern Sonic too, in Smash Bros games and Lost World. He also used it on Netflix Sonic Prime series too. Next is the shadow below his legs. After that, draw the smoke. Then the rest are the dust. Alright, it's done and it looks good. Moving on to the colors. I'm gonna add a new layer for the colors and move it down below layer 2. Alright, let's go. I'll start with blue color first. Oh yeah, unfortunately, this game doesn't have bucket tool, so you gotta fill the colors manually. I wonder why. Man, this is gonna take some time to color all this. I usually use a bucket tool to fill the colors, and I guess this time I'm doing it by hand. Maybe if there was a bucket tool, it might make the game laggy when someone accidentally fills the entire canvas since the canvas is infinite, or the developers don't know how to do it. I wish there's a bucket tool though, or maybe a tool that can fill colors easily or something. Alright, the head and body is done. I'll color the rest later. Now I'm gonna add shading and lighting on Sonic. Oh yeah, by the way, there's no blending mode in this game, so you have to pick the shading and lighting colors from the color wheel and add them manually. And I usually add shading and lighting above the color layer, by the way. For those who don't know what a blending mode is, it's an effect you can add to a layer to change the colors blend with other colors on lower layers. There are a few different groups in blending mode like darken, lighten, contrast, difference, and color. Here's an example. Okay, it's done. Next, I'm gonna color the Super PL. Let's speed up. Now add some lighting and shading. You know, I think it'll be cool if there are other brushes in this game, like pencil, airbrush, watercolor, spray paint, etc. Sadly, there's only one brush, and that is the default pen I'm using in this video. And finally, I add some shading to the smoke, and maybe I'll change the smoke color to broken white or grayish color. Alright, it's finished, and here's the final result. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy creating!